Should you purchase an annuity when it comes to helping you save for retirement? Well, I can tell you that is a question that many people deliberate on every single day when planning for their retirement income. So we're going to cover why you should or why you should not purchase an annuity in today's Tuesday tip. So stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, certified financial planner and president and CEO of the Retirement Education Center. And I want to welcome you once again to our Tuesday tips, where today we are going to be helping you make an informed decision on if you should purchase an annuity for your retirement or not. Now, when it comes to an annuity, it is probably in your best interest to speak to an independent fiduciary advisor to help you comb out some of these details, because they can be very complex, and you certainly do not want anyone selling one to you unless you know all the pros and cons related to the annuity. So when it comes to your understanding of an annuity, these are the main elements to help you to understand if you should purchase one or not. An annuity, in my opinion, is going to be for someone who's going to be a conservative investor who's seeking guaranteed income for the rest of their life. It's also going to be for someone who may worry about running out of money in retirement. An annuity may also be appropriate for someone who's interested in leaving a legacy for their estate. And last but not least, an annuity could be an appropriate planning tool for someone who may have already maxed out all of their other retirement saving vehicles and they need another place to put some money away that's going to grow tax deferred. So with that basic understanding, let's go ahead and jump into our lesson today to talk about if you should purchase an annuity for your retirement or not. So let me go ahead and briefly explain to you what an annuity is. Now, the simple definition of an annuity is that it is a financial product that's offered by an insurance company that will provide regular payments to you or both you and your spouse over a certain period of time. But typically, if someone is choosing an annuity for income, they're going to choose a lifetime income payment. Now, the next thing that I do want to go over with you when it comes to annuity are the pros of actually purchasing an annuity. As you can see here, one of the main benefits, as I've already mentioned, for purchasing an annuity is guaranteed income. Anytime that you purchase an annuity for income, that annuity can provide you an income stream for the rest of your life. And of course, obviously providing you more financial security in retirement. Another great benefit of an annuity is the tax deferral effect. When you do purchase an annuity, you don't pay taxes on the earnings until you start receiving payments. When you do start receiving those payments, they will be taxed at your ordinary income tax bracket. But because of that tax deferral effect of an annuity, it can allow your money to grow a lot longer and a lot faster. And the last benefit that I want to make note of when it comes to purchasing an annuity is the customization effect. When it comes to the purchasing of an annuity, they do come in many different shapes and sizes. And of course, that's going to allow for you to have options that's going to fit your specific needs. You can purchase a fixed annuity that's going to be more like a CD that has a set interest rate on that particular annuity. So that annuity could be paying 3, 4, 5, or 6% over a certain period of time. You can purchase a variable annuity if you like the marketplace and you like the ups and downs of what the market can give you over a long period of time, if you have the risk tolerance for it. Or you can also purchase a fixed index annuity that will kind of give you the best of both worlds, where you have your account to be guaranteed to not lose the principal, but you can also have the effects of tying that money to an index like the S&P 500 and have that particular annuity earn perhaps more interest than you could on a fixed annuity without the risk that you're taking in a variable annuity. Now, with that being said, it's always important to point out some of the negative aspects when it comes to purchasing an annuity. It's really, really important that you sit down with someone who's going to explain these terms to you as well. The first thing that I want to point out are the fees. Annuities at times do come with high fees, especially when we're talking about a variable annuity. You can have administrative fees, you can have mortality and expense fees. You can also have significant surrender charges if you pull that money out early. Another negative aspect of an annuity that you must have explained to you in clear details is the fact that it's going to be illiquid. Many times when you do invest in an annuity, that money is going to be tied up maybe for a significant period of time anywhere between 5 and 10 years. So you have to understand that if you're going to put money into an annuity, it's imperative for you to put some money to the side that you might need to touch in case of an emergency. And another negative aspect of an annuity that you might need to be aware of is that some annuities do not protect against inflation. So over time, you're going to have potentially a reducing purchasing power. Now, with that being said, there are many annuities out there that have income options in which you can definitely choose to take an income option that will be in line to keep up with inflation. So as always, like with anything that we talk about on this channel, when you're talking about the purchasing of a product like this, it will be always in your best interest to speak with a certified financial advisor or a fiduciary advisor who's going to be looking out for your best interest with this particular product. So in summary of this video, when it comes to the question of should you purchase an annuity, it really depends on your individual financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your retirement plans. Please note that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for an independent fiduciary advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in our description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today. And we will also like to hear from you. Let us know what your thoughts are regarding this particular subject matter and leave any questions or comments in the section below. And if you found this information to be beneficial, all that we ask is that you subscribe to this channel so it can continue to grow, like this video, and share it with others.